Welcome to Vinyl TV. This is Redmi 14C. I just received the package. I want to unbox it to see exactly the content, what is inside, and tell you the features the phone has. So this is what I want to do. I want to unbox the phone. This is actually the phone. This is Redmi 14C. You can see the features. Immersible 6.80 display, refined and stylish design, 50MP AI dual camera, massive 516 mAh battery, powered by 18-watt fast charger, powerful octa-core processor. This is actually the phone. You can see how sleek the phone is. You can see the camera, the back camera. We now talk about the features of the phone. You can see the charger. This is the pack. It comes with a patch. This is a patch where you can keep the phone for safety in case of breakage. It has a transparent patch like this. The phone has 6 gig RAM and 128 gig storage capacity, internal storage. I just on the phone and I'm setting it up. Some of these are some of the applications the phone comes with. Some of the applications it comes with, you can see it. You can see the Play Store. You can see Team. You can see the Google. You can see these are the inbuilt. It has FM radio. Thank you. Bye.